Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stylized Blender models. We'll dive into the easy method, focusing on fundamental techniques that yield great results without complex steps. You'll learn to simplify forms, exaggerate key features, and use color strategically to create charming, expressive three-dimensional art. This approach is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to achieve a stylized look efficiently. Get ready to transform your Blender creations with just a few straightforward adjustments. To begin your stylized journey, always start with simple geometric shapes. Think spheres, cubes, and cylinders as your building blocks. Next, don't be afraid to exaggerate proportions. A character with a tiny body and a huge head can be incredibly charming. A limited color palette, perhaps 5 to 7 colors, helps maintain visual harmony. Finally, ensure your model has a strong, recognizable silhouette, making it distinct even from a distance. Let's walk through a simple workflow. First, block out your model using basic primitive shapes to establish overall form. Then, refine these shapes using straightforward modeling tools and perhaps a subdivision surface modifier for smoother results. Next, apply basic materials, sticking to your chosen limited color palette. Finally, add subtle details like simple textures or painted accents, and set up a basic three-point lighting system to highlight your stylized creation effectively. To continue improving, constantly study stylized art from various sources like video games and animated films. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to developing your unique artistic voice. Don't hesitate to experiment with different lighting setups and rendering styles to see what best complements your models. Finally, share your work with others and actively seek constructive feedback. This will help you grow and refine your stylized Blender skills even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.